22 black. Even in a high number from the second line section. 500. How awesome is that, huh? No more bets. Yes, also playing indeed might be used. You can set a certain top of the bet, which are going to be placed automatically over and over again for your round to start, but they're close luck. And meanwhile, simply enjoy the hands-free play. Yep. Catching up with the 1921-36 high number is 100x 19. Chain line sitting, 915-30, 200x 30. Double strike in a 9, it's 100x. The winning number is 12 reds. Love and even number out of the first dozen. Thank you and congratulations. We do have a winning score 515 out of 2. Promise the first place with 1,000 cash in. It's a lot of bets are open, so welcome. Newcomers, hi, how was the day? How was the first day of November? Starting off with a whole new month with all the energy and positivity, I hope. Also, yeah, moving on with a new round. Be aware that only straight-up bets are joining in the bonus round. No more bets. So if you did place a straight-up bet, you're having a chance to cash additional multi in your win. Thanks to the number 1627, red wins 5, 100 next 27. That is a 23 red high number second dozen. Thank you and congratulations, 612 winners. DX the first place with a 900 cash in. It's motivating times open. Baba, hi, how is the mood? Welcome to Extreme Lighting Live. Yeah, so inside outside bets you can place at a moment as the one or multiple bets at a time can be just be aware, guys, number of bets that from all the possible betting spots, indeed, only straight up bets let you join a bonus. So don't bring it simple. We got an 1833 black card number, 100 x 33. The winning number is an 18 red. Love even number out of the second dozen. Thank you and congratulations, 504 winners, especially around for the first place, 1.6 thousand win. And as motivating time is open, so welcome and see luck, everybody. How are you doing? Yeah, also by the fact, guys, these inside-outside bets are two big groups of the bets and overall. Under them, you can find quite a lot of different bets or close, like more specific types of the bets in which you can join. As corner, split, straight up, bets, and whatsoever. Betting time's over, 10, 18, 19 strikes with 100 x enjoy. That is a 12 right. Loving the number out in the first dozen. 50 red, winning number in our bad fact. 513 winners. We need the first place with 1.1 thousand win betting time. So welcome and good luck. Yeah, and also the specific type of the best guys you're choosing to use holds in different odds and also, of course, different potential payouts to get. So you can check them, choose them. You can check the potential payouts, number best, by clicking on the same button, which you can find upper left side and top of the screen. By clicking on it, you open up the layout of the payout. 019 strikes at 100 x to left. Double strike at 0 green, 600 x. The winning number is 24 black. Even high number, second dozen. 540 winners. Thank you and congratulations. Lily, the first place for you. More than 500 win. And the bidding time is open. So welcome and good luck, everybody. So yeah, good day in the morning, everybody. Welcome to Extreme Lighting Live. Hope you're doing good or even extremely good. And we're close to the best of checking the bonus round. 1 up to 10 rounds may generate the numbers are strike each round. Crazy after the 2000 next. Those are potential multipliers. 7 and 31 out of 100 X each. Double strike and 31. We got it. 600 X. Enjoy. The winning number is 14 red. Love even number second best. Thank you and congratulations. The winning score 529 a few. Ron is the first place with a 440 cash bidding time. Hey, good hi. Wow, much love to you too, sweetie. How are you doing? I'll provide a fact. I've already told you everything about the possible betting spots, ways how to join the bonus rounds and whatsoever, so I hope that it is clear. In case if not, or some questions still, number bets, of course, I'll let it be numbers in chat box beside the screen. But now we're going for the strike of the life. So 10 and 24. The number is 100x and 24. Double strike and a set. Hot number to 600x. Now enjoy. The winning number is 11 black. Oswald number out of the first dozen section. 551 winner. I came to first place in 1.1 thousand win and very time, shall we? Again, while you're joining and preparing, hey, I'll tell you about what you can find in your screen. As actually, if I take a look around the screen, you can also find quite a lot of interesting news information there given and provided. So, yeah. Betting time is over good. A lot. Let's look at the track. As it is 19, 23, 31, outside number is 300x 31. Double strike at 23, 700x. It's a 5. 5 red is not one number out of the winning number is color red, 3 to color black. It will represent the last outcomes of the winning numbers. Also, more things would be shown in case the winner would be caught. Better close, good luck. But an overall doesn't change nothing much more. It simply shows what has happened. If each round's been affected, they're not related. We got a 0, 11, 19, 30 strike, 100x 0. Double strike in the left, then 1.5 counts next. The winning number is 4. Black. Love even number out of the first dozen. Thank you and congratulations for 184 winners. Okay, the first place in top of the 1.9 thousand win. And as well, the betting time is open, so welcome and good luck. Besides are the game statistics, in fact, on the right side of the screen. You may also find the hot and cold numbers, whichever represents, number best, the most common and most hot numbers at the moment for those to be 1 red, 10 black, 8 black, 29 black, and 28 black. These are the hot numbers, number best. So the most common ones after 11 is these. Going for the strike of the life, 7, 13, 23 odd ones, PTX, enjoy. It is a 24 black, even and a high number, second dozen, here section. 531 with 3K. The first place in top of the 2.4 thousand wins on the betting time is open. Any questions, please? Don't be shy to ask. You are Marie Sigma Lady. Hey, Terry. Hi, how are you? What does that mean? Ain't that a lie? I got no idea what does that mean, but there's good luck. So can you please tell me an easier way so that my mind would understand? Catching up with a strike. And that's an 823, 100 PTX with an 8 hot number. Chain line Phoenix, 10, 25, 32, 33, 100 X 25. second dozen, first column, 534 winnings. OE, the first place with an 800 catch and the bets are open. And since we talked about hot numbers, I had to check the cold ones too. As cold numbers at the moment, if I lose to be 25 red, 34 red, 36 red, 21 red, and 26 black. No more bets left. Those are the cold numbers, so the most uncommon ones after landing in me. Catching in the strike, 22, 25, 33, those high numbers, on our next 22. The winning number 482 winners. Carl, you got first place in top of the. Let's take a look. Because they're located. Sunday, what? No, we're back. The winning number is 20 black, even and a high number out of the second dozen. Thank you and congratulations, 538 winners. Some of the first place in the top compliments to you as 800 win and a lot of betting time. So inside, outside bets, auto play, straight up bets to join the bonus round. During the bonus round, 1 up to 10 rounds may generate the numbers, get strikes with additional multis on them, number bets, which may follow from the 50 up to the 2000. We're going for the 5, 17, 29 odd ones, 200x17. That is a 5 red. Dazzle number for his dazzle, and yo, we got a lot. FaceX multiplier for 326 a few. 479 winners total, and Danielle the first place, 790 catch. Betting time is open. Please be aware in the form, guys, that multipliers may arrive from the 50 up to the 2000x on any round, on any number for you, in case if you're using straight up bets, you're having a chance for it. Number bets. So, by that being said, if you do have a straight up bet place, hope you're going to strike your numbers. That's a 15, 23 out of 100 x each. Chain lines and innings 21, 24, 27, 3100 x 27. Double strike on a 15, 21, cows next on each. Actual number out of the first dozen takes place second time in a row. Congratulations, 565 winners. DX, the first place with a 1.8 thousand win. That is a lot of betting time is open, so welcome. Table limits upper left side, top of the pin spot, and so you can check and adjust your bets to join and you can pay. If you would have a chance, guys, to invest a new celebration, a worldwide celebration, no more bets. What kind of the celebration would you make, and what the people would be supposed to do in it? No more bets. We got a 15, 18, low numbers, under 15x, under 15. The winning number is 0 green. The green bean takes the place. Thank you and congratulations. We do have a winning score 497 of you. Mike, the first place of the 2000 catch on as well. The bets are open. So, would you like to join? If you got questions, hit me up. On the right side of the game to say successful numbers, also you can follow 4, okay? And the main rule. Love is above. Hi, number best. It really reminds me about a player nickname Love is a Lie. So you should meet each other. Best are close. You get a 4. Strikes at a PTX. Good luck to you. Chain last innings 18, 26, 28, 3 more spots. 100 X and 26. Black, odds high number 30 dozen, and woo, that's one of the chain lightning. 100x multi for 352 here. 548 winnings in total. Mike the first place with 7,500 catch. Betting time also is here, so go ahead. Yeah, 2 lightning strikes that didn't last even 4 rounds only. So straight down bet. Hope you're holding them on, or maybe autoplays replacing it over and over again. Never bet. That's the only way how you can join a bone shot and catch additional fees. But of course you can join any side of the bet. It's a 12 and a 15. Low number is 100x with a 15. Chain lightning 3, 21, 26, 31, 100 PCX 26. Double strike at a 15. Let's go. 1000x. The winning number is 29 black. Odds high number from the third dozen popping up. Second time in a row. 621 with 3 overall. The first place out. Catch the bidding time. And actually this landing it follows up to be the hot number. As hot cold numbers indeed guys are changing within the time according to the outcome. So constantly it happens. As well at this moment we are closing the bets to follow with the bonus round for those who have a straight up bet placed on. It goes to be is 0 green 7 and 31. 300 PTX 0 green. The winning number is 21 red. Odd high number is second dozen, third column. 576 winners. Carl, the first place with a 2.8 thousand win. And also the bidding time is open again, so shall we? Don't forget, it's all for the fun, so please gamble responsibly. Also, while you're joining, placing up the bets, setting up auto plays whatsoever, hi everybody, number bets. Let's go for a little brainstorming. As if you would have a chance to have any superpower, what kind of superpower would you like to get? 5, 21, 35, out of 1, 200, x 35. The 19 red, odds high number is second dozen, popping up. We got a 669 winnings. DX, the first place with a 900 catch. And it's all the bidding time's open. MSKV, hi, hello for you too. How's your day and welcome at the Extreme Lightning Roulette. My name is Marlena, by the way, if you don't know me yet. Hope that everything is okie dokie. As well, the moment of betting time is over, the bone round kicks in. Up to the 2000x multis may arrive during that. As it is, 15, 24. Blacker number is 100x, 24. Chain last innings, 117, 22 more spots, 100x and 20. Double second, 17, 21. 700x, 17. Odds on number out of the first dozen. Thank you and congratulations. Winning.